Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bobby Two Pops Breaks on a Saturday. It is the 27th of January. We are breaking Gold Rush MLB jerseys. It's a two-boxer. Our last two of this case, 2 and 6, are our numbers. We did pick a name, get two via random on the left. We've already randomized the extras, alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Did give them a minute to trade, but no one's in a trading mood tonight, so here we go, folks. Well, we're going to try a different cut here, guys, see if that don't bring us some damn luck, man. We've had a rough case so far, and I'm hoping for something nice from you guys. Pop of box number 2. Bam. Well, going to be an okay hit there, guys. Going to be the Vlad. That's the one thing I don't like about these jerseys and Vlad 6 sometimes. Numbers are so thin, and he tries to put it on the dang number. JSA card. King guys, there's your Vlad JSA sticker on it, baby. Well, let's hope we got another solid hit in here also, guys. Vlad don't make up for the case, that's for damn sure. Card as well. Who took Vlad home here? We're gonna be a Joey hit. Surprised nobody picked Vlad there, man. Going to be an Olin hit on that one. Last one, guys. You hear that? We'll see if that bodes well, guys. Sounds to me like there's some kind of letter in there or something. I mean, ain't no jersey should be making that damn noise. Pop of your seal, guys. Let's see if we're gonna finish strong here. Bam! It sounded like there was some kind of letter there, guys. Going to be Kershaw, folks. Bam! Nice licensed jersey as well, guys. Well, that's why it was a rough case, folks. Saved our last couple boxes for the big hits in the case. Finished off strong there in a big way. Full letter on the Kershaw. She is a licensed jersey. Also, folks, JSA sticker. Obviously a full letter on that baby. Bam. So there, guys. I mean, again, we had a rough start to the case, but we finished pretty damn strong there. Pulling the Vlad and the licensed Kershaw out of that thing. I mean, after that, can't complain about that case too much at all, guys. Guys, full JSA letter on the Kershaw there. I can't complain after that one. Like I said, I know we had a rough start there, guys, but finished very strong. And wow, that's going to be a Sloan hit, guys. I am so sorry, everybody else there. Sloan gonna one slot that damn thing. Bam. That is gonna ramp up that one, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, whatnot, and even Kick, guys. Join us.